In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Facebook ads or ad campaigns 5 minutes. First, open your browser and head to Facebook Ads Manager. The quickest way is to search for Facebook Ads Manager and click the official result. This takes you to Facebook's advertising dashboard, the place where all your campaigns, ad sets, and ads live. On the page, click Go to Ads Manager. If you're not signed in, Facebook will ask you to log in. Enter your account credentials and click Login. Make sure you're using the account that has access to the ad account you want to manage. If your business uses multiple ad accounts, confirm you're in the right one by checking the account selector once you're in. After logging in, you'll land on the campaign's dashboard. At the top, you'll see tabs for campaigns, ad sets, and ads. Today, we're working in the campaigns view because deleting a campaign removes all of its associated ad sets and ads in one go. Use the search bar or filters if you have a lot of campaigns and need to find a specific one quickly. Next, select the campaign you want to remove by clicking the checkbox next to its name. Double check you've chosen the correct item. Deleting a campaign is permanent, and while the historical reporting may remain for reference, the campaign can't be reactivated once it's deleted. If you simply want to stop spending but keep settings for later, consider turning the campaign off instead, using the toggle. But if you're sure about removing it entirely, continue. With the campaign selected, look for the trash bin icon in the toolbar above the table. Click that icon to initiate deletion. Facebook may prompt you to confirm. Review the message carefully so you understand that the campaign and everything under it will be removed. Finally, click delete to confirm. Facebook will process the request, and you should see the campaign disappear from your list. If you selected multiple campaigns, they'll all be deleted in one action, so take a moment to verify your selection before confirming. A few quick tips to avoid hiccups. Ensure you have the right permissions for the ad account. If you don't, ask an admin to grant access. If you can't see the delete option, refresh the page or clear filters to make sure you're in the campaigns tab, not at the ad set or ad level. And remember, deletion is best for campaigns you know you won't need again. That's it. Simple, clear, and done.